If you watch this video to the end, I'll be showing you 3 practical ways you can start making money right from today with your smartphone. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, I want you to smash the subscribe button to become part of this amazing platform for free. Ring the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified instantly. If you have any issues or any concerns, you can type that in the comment section. You can also like this video, let me know if you are following or not. The number 1 practical way you can start making money from today is for you to create and sell digital products. Create and sell digital products. Digital products are any intangible asset you can create with your smartphone, sell via WhatsApp, and then you make a lot of money. Example of these digital products, we can talk of ebooks, templates, online classes, graphics, audio files, webinars, etc. etc. You can equally create an ebook of 20 pages on any topic you are good at, market it and sell it online. Personally, I've created and sold a lot of digital products over the years using WhatsApp. Let's say you create an ebook and then you title the ebook as 10 Natural Remedies to Last Longer on Bed. You are going to make so much money selling this ebook. Why? Because 90% of the youths want to last longer in bed. This is just a clue I'm giving you. You can price it and sell it at 20 Ghana cedis. You only need to make 5 sales in a day to make 100 cedis every single day. The number 2 I'll talk about is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting and selling other people's products and services or a company's products and services, and then you earn commission on each sale you make. You don't need to create your own digital products if you don't have that time to do so. You can sell other people's products and services and then you earn commission per se. So how do you go about it? 1. You can host a free WhatsApp class, offer a free training, and then sell your affiliate product at the end of the class. You can also post valuable tips related to the product on your status. Then you add your affiliate link for people to buy from there. The more people click on your link, the more commission you are going to make. Meanwhile, you didn't waste your time to create that product you are making money from. I personally have affiliates who I work with. If you want to join my affiliate program, type in the comment section "I'm interested" so that I can send you the link for you to join. Just type "I'm interested." I'm waiting for you. Just type "I'm interested." The last one I'll talk about is for you to create a paid WhatsApp classes. A paid WhatsApp class is a class you can organize on anything you are good at and charge people to pay for your services. You can start that with a free classes. After a free class, you can now ask them to pay a token to learn from you. The first money I've ever made on WhatsApp came from hosting a paid classes. I taught about 150 people on graphic designing, how to design flyers and other stuff. I charged 100 per head, which I made 1,500 Ghana cedis in 10 days. That was amazing. That was how I started making money online. Are you good at baking? Are you good at public speaking? Are you good at writing? Are you good at making sobolo drinks? Are you good at personal finance, etc, etc? Whatever you are good at, you can make money out of that. All I want you to do is to create a WhatsApp group, teach people what you know, and then get paid for it. For example, you can host a 5-day class on how to make sobolo drink. Teach people the surface one and then charge them to pay for the premium lessons. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section.